Hello again. It's Dr. Link once again, speaking on an introduction to nutrition response testing. This is section 3. In this section, we will look at a brief history of the development of nutrition response testing and how it is capable of providing communication between innate intelligence and educated intelligence. Nutrition response testing is a system of muscle testing that derives its information directly from a person's autonomic nervous system. This system of evaluation and treatment was first developed as autonomic response testing by Dietrich Klinghardt, MD, PhD, a German-trained physician, and Louisa Williams, MS, DC, ND, and later modified into nutrition response testing by Dr. Fred Uhlin, DC. Both systems are easier and more direct to use than their predecessor called applied kinesiology. Much of the credit for nutrition response testing does not go to Dr. Uhlin, although it was his genius which developed this efficient, all-encompassing system. He would be the first to tell you that it was the genius of many others from whom he just borrowed bits and pieces of knowledge that helped him to come up with his system. But without his never-ending pursuit of over 30 years of scrutiny, trial and error testing, and sacrifice, his joyful obligation as he calls it, nutrition response testing would not exist and would not be the effective tool that it is today. Nutrition response testing is a non-invasive system of analyzing the body to determine the underlying causes of ill or non-optimum health. It is a proven system that may be quite different from any other healing practice that you may have experienced. Energy flow exists between all parts and organs of the body and is easily discerned with this testing, providing all of the information and feedback necessary to assess and treat an individual. The extraordinary properties of the human cells and tissues are used to bring healing and health changes, exactly as nature intended. The body responds to the procedure reliably and consistently, and the feedback provided is so precise that it opens the door to a safe and lasting recovery, even in many cases where everything else has failed. By learning this system and applying it to the body, the use of educated intelligence, the practitioner is able to communicate with the universal or innate intelligence of the body being tested in order to determine what the body says is going on in it, and, using this same system, can determine what needs to be done in order to correct it. That is the focus of Section 4 of the Introduction to Nutrition Response Testing. Thank you.